Hi friends, in this video we will see about importance of static keyword in Java. Okay, static keyword in Java, let me discuss. Any variable, any method, okay, static you can use to any variable or static you can use to method. Any block also you can use static, any block of statements. Any block of statements also you can use static. Okay, so whenever you created the object, where this data will be stored, okay, where this data will be there in internal memory. Please see this diagram. Whatever the diagram I am going to draw here, please carefully understand here. You can easily understand here. So where in real time heap memory will be there, stack memory will be there. Okay, whenever you create the object and all, it will be there in where all the objects will be there here, it in stack memory. Okay, all your objects will be there in your stack memory. Like your object might be like S1 or P1 or P2, whatever it is. Okay, all these all these objects will be there in which memory? In your stack memory. This is stack memory. These objects related information, okay, whatever the information will be there, these objects related, that information will be there in heap memory. Okay, whatever the information will be there, it is in heap memory. For example, this objects related information, this objects related information, like this way, it is going to be in which memory? It is in heap memory. Corresponding related objects related information will be there in heap memory. But this is also objects related. Okay, this memory also, whatever the objects are there, those related information will be there in heap memory. But any static data will be there. Okay, any static data, static variable or static method, it is in separate memory, class area memory. Okay, it is in which memory? Class level memory. I can say it is what memory? Class memory. It is in class memory. Okay, so irrespective of the object, if something is there in static class memory, irrespective of all these objects, this memory will be there. You can anywhere you can access by using this class name. You can access the variable or you can access the method by using class name. Only by using class name. You no need of any object and all, anything. Because this, whatever the data is there in static data, that is related to your class level, not at the object level. Okay, that is at the class level memory. Okay, so we no need to worry about objects related information and all. So when objects are created, that will be there in stack memory, and each objects related information will be there in heap memory. And class level, whatever the class level static data or static variable, static methods, those will be there, or any blocks, static block of statements, those all will be available in class memory. Okay, so yeah, so let me see one example here by using class memory and all. Let me create a new class here. I will show you all the examples related to that. I am giving here static keyword. Static example. Okay, this is the simple example that we take. In this class, I am having two variables are there. Int a comma b is there. Similarly, static int c is there. Okay, so if this is the case now, okay, fine. I am trying to display the c value. Okay, I am taking it as a int a comma c, c equal to 100 I am taking. C equal to 100 I am taking. Let me assume one constructor is there. You already know what is constructor. Static example. Okay, I am passing two arguments here. Two arguments a comma b I am passing. Here one more concept also I will tell you guys. Into a comma into b I am taking here. So this int a comma b I am taking. These are all my class level variables. These two are my arguments. Okay, these two are my class level variables because it is inside of a class level variables, and these two are my arguments to this particular method. In that case, okay. So how we can differentiate a equal to a I am writing? How we can differentiate which a is which one and all? I am referring the left side a is my class level variable, and this a is my assignment. So in this case, to differentiate your local variable and argument, we need to use this keyword. Okay, what keyword we need to use? This keyword in Java. This refers to current class. Okay, this refers to current class. Okay, this refers to current class. Okay, so when I am using this dot a equal to a, so this a value is here my class level variable, and b value is here my class level, another class level variable here. Okay, so like this way, by using this keyword, we can differentiate local class level variable and argument and all. Okay, now in this case, this dot a refers to your class level variable and this is assignment. This dot b refers to your class level variable and this is its argument. Fine, like this way we assign. I am going to have one more method here. Void display method is there. For example, I want to display this information. Okay, I want to display this information. Very good. So system.out.println, my value is a, another value is b, and also I want to display c value also. Okay, c. What is error here? C value I need to give the plus operator. Okay, plus operator here. Perfect. So a comma b are arguments here. C is the static variable in this class. As I told you in this diagram, where will be there? A comma b information will be there here. In the heap memory, a comma b information will be there, whereas c information is there in class level memory, which is accessed for any object. Now I want to make a call to this constructor. How we can make a call to constructor? Just by creating a object to this particular class. Okay, perfect. I am going to create an object to this particular class equal to new static example. Okay, I need to pass two values here, 10 comma 20, because we are going to call a parameterized constructor, right? Now ex dot, which method I want to call? Display method. Now tell me, in this case 10 comma 20 will goes to here. Okay, a will get 10 here, this 20 will goes to b, and these two will assign to this class level variables, and c anyway you assigned 100, which is at class level, so directly you can access here. If you want, you can give like this way also, static example dot c. This way also we can give class name dot variable name you can access. Okay, class name dot variable name you can access. So see here, so any static data member will be there. See, you can access directly by using class name. Okay, similarly any static method will be there. For example, static method, I am having static calculation method is there. Okay, here also I am taking int a comma into b I am taking. This is also my static block. So this is also my static block. What is the error here? This is also my static block. Into a, into b it is coming. I am taking another variable into result equal to a plus b. This is also a static method. I want to make a call to this method. ex.display? No. See, I want to display from here also. I want to display the c value. Just how we can c value is, since it is a static value, right? You can give directly your static class name dot c. That's it. Similarly, I want to make a call to the calculate method. Okay, just I want to print this value. Okay, I want to print this value. Static method. So I am just printing result. Static method, I want to make a call. Very simple. This class name dot. Directly you can make a call. You no need to create the objects and anything for the static. Directly you can take the class name dot. Calcs method will be there. Directly pass the arguments here. That's it. That's it. So see here, for the static variable you are giving class name dot variable name. For static method you are giving class name dot method name, and you are passing the arguments. So class level data like this way, whatever the class level data is there, irrespective of the objects, this data is common in class memory. You can directly access this data by using your class name dot variable name, class name dot method name. So that way directly you can access if at all it is static data and all. Okay, fine. So this is about the static data part, guys. And also I want to execute some data. I want to execute some data statically. See, some block of statements I want to execute. See, this is my static block. Just I am giving static block is executed. Perfect. Okay. When this static block will be executed, this is static variable we have seen. This is static method we have seen. Similarly, static block also will be there. So before it is executing void main, before executing this method, first it will execute the static block. Now it will execute, and see carefully. First static block will be executed. See, and then these two are executed. Finally, the calc method has executed successfully. So before executing the main method, the static block will be executed first. That is the hierarchy. First the static block will be executed, and then the control will come to the main block. Okay, this is about the static keyword. Static keyword in Java used for any data you want to maintain commonly for all the objects. Commonly for all the objects you want to maintain, then you need to go for static variable or static method or static block. Okay, so like this way you can work with the static blocks and all. Okay guys, so that's all for this video. Thank you so much.